Happy Wednesday, y'all. We're halfway through the week and it's a review day today. So as I explained yesterday, today is going to be a review over some of the questions on the tests, kind of like what we did during our whiteboard work yesterday. So people that take the time today are going to have a little leg up tomorrow, or have a better opportunity to show their skills and be successful tomorrow. So I hope you take this opportunity. I'm planning this video. I'm hoping it's going to be between 5 and 10 minutes, hopefully closer to 5. Because what we're going to do is we're going to do a word problem together. I changed the same question that's on the test, but it's different numbers. Did I even change the numbers? I don't think I did. So actually it's the same question. And with then I created a self-made worksheet. You'll see in a second. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's look at the word problem together, and I'll read it for us. Mrs. Williams uses the following recipe for Rice Krispie treats. I love Rice Krispie treats, by the way. So if you ever make them at your house, bring them in. Bring me one. I don't need many. I just need one. She wants to make 2/3 of this recipe. So here's the recipe. There's 2 cups of melted butter. There's 24 ounces of marshmallows, and there's 13 cups of Rice Krispie cereal. Now, the question on the test might not ask you about butter, but the question is exactly the same. So how much butter will she need? Well, how much butter do we have? Okay, well, we have 2 cups of butter. Okay, so we know that we got 2 cups of butter, and she wants to make 2/3 of the recipe. So we know the recipe calls for 2 cups, right? And we know that we have thirds and we only want 2 of them. So we don't really know what that is. So we're really looking at a 2/3 of 2. 2/3 of 2, right? So, and remember, I wrote the of so that we could remember that anytime we see a fraction of a whole number, we know that we're talking about multiplication. And when we do multiplication, remember, nothing's changing to our thirds. So we know that we're going to take the 2 times 2, and we're going to put that over thirds. So that should give us 4/3, which equals 1 1/3. So how much butter will she need if she's making 2/3 of the recipe? She doesn't want all 100 squares. She wants just 2/3 of that. And I really don't know if a recipe calls for 100 squares. I'm just making that one up. Let me change colors here and finish this. We need to write a statement. She will need 1 1/3 what? Got to remember to write the correct unit. Is it ounces? Is it cups? Or is it cups? Oh, we're talking about butter. So it's cups of butter. Great job. So that's the type of questions, the word problems that'll be on there. I think you've been doing a great job with those. And this is the worksheet. Now, let me zoom in. I apologize for the bad scan job. The markers I used were not the best markers. But I think it's good enough for what you need. But email me if it's not. Email me if it's not. I'll send you a better one. These are those markers that can erase under heat or friction. And I think that's why they're not so vibrant. I should have used Sharpies. My apologies again. All right, so I don't think you need me to go through these because we rocked these yesterday. Just remember, nothing's changing to the unit while we're solving, and we can't leave fractions greater than whole or as an improper fraction. We want to rename them as a whole number or a mixed number. So that you'll be doing that on this side. And you probably just want to write these on your own piece of paper than printing this off, because printing it off probably won't work. Write the following as an expression. So there's 2 words, sets of words that we need to change into an expression. And then remember, what you don't know off the top of your head without doing work needs to go into parentheses. Like I know 1/4, that's just what it is. But the sum of 8 and 4, I have no idea what 8 and 4 is. I mean, we do, but in the sentence, we do not, right? So we put that in parentheses and we'll know that it's 12, but we'll make sure that we do it the right way. As an extra credit, solve for it. It doesn't ask you to, but as extra credit, solve for it. All right, so I think the video is long enough. Let me pause this. Let me write down the correct answer so you can check yourself. All right, welcome back. This literally took me 4 minutes to solve the entire problem set. So hopefully, and now I know that you shouldn't be able to be that fast, but the reality is you should be able to rock this pretty quick. So today's lesson and review shouldn't take you more than, with my video, probably more than 30 minutes today. So if you're not understanding this at a high level, please email me, please contact me. Let's Zoom together. Let's do a little one on Zoom and get you feeling comfortable about these skills. So sorry, let me slow down. I realized I didn't give you a chance to look at the answers. Let me actually zoom out. Now down on the bottom, I did not solve. I want that extra credit out there in a different way. All right, so good luck today. Let me know if you need any help. We're here. We're happy to help. Enjoy your day.